I just got out of bed. It is the Atlantis Running Challenge, day 8, which is sadly our final day. It's raining. The goal is to run to the beach, see if any cool shells washed up on the shore, and then kind of just do the whole route one last time. The sunrise is so pretty. This whole week has just gone by so quickly. This is actually the longest I've been in one place for such a long time. The week before the Bahamas, I had done the Hamptons, New York, Orlando, and then the Bahamas in 1 week. This week, by the time you're seeing this, probably already would have happened. I have New York, Orlando, Fort Lauderdale, Disney cruise, back to the Bahamas. Very grateful, but I never sleep. Made it to the beach. It's low tide, so hopefully there will be some really good shells in the water. We're doing pretty good with sea glass. This is kind of interesting. It's like a piece of tile. There's a cruise ship coming in. This trail is so cute. This is where a hermit crab popped out of the sand, and then you can follow his trail. Trail ends right here, and he's taking a nap. Oh, actually, it's a snail that came back. Mile 1. Stopping in here to see if we can find any sharks. Got one. There's another one over here. Look at this one. He kind of looks like he's snoring. 2 miles. I am going to miss running to this view. Wait, not to do this again, but doesn't that kind of look like a Disney ship? No, it's not. I love that game. We're at a little over 3 miles. It's a little cloudy today, which is nice because I'm blistering. Despite all the heat, I think really fun way to train for the New York Marathon. Next race is the Castaway Key 5K. Our Disney cruise is in 7 days from today. We're really excited. First ever Disney cruise. Lots of other fun stuff this summer. There's something in August that's been on my bucket list. Wasn't gonna do it this year, and then someone came up to do it that I'm not gonna tell you about yet. That was very cryptic. Essentially, there's something that I was just like, oh, it's not in the cards for me this year, maybe another time. But then an invite came through, and me and my mom were like, yeah, I can't really pass this up, so we're doing it. Also, if you hear that big shaking noise, there's a bunch of sea glass on my back. Starting to rain again and get really windy. I think I'm gonna take that as a sign to just get to mile 4 and get inside. Oh, I'll hear a tree for a second. Yeah, it's like really starting to rain now. I'll just go inside, get a coffee. This is good incentive to run fast. It's pouring now. Gonna get some shelter right there. It's really raining. 5 miles down. That is a wrap on the Atlantis Running Challenge. I'm so sad it's over. I will see you on Castaway. If you like this style of video, I can do more of them. Even though this wasn't even a real race, it was just like a concept I came up with in my head. I loved it. We'll see you next week on Castaway Key. Go get your run in today. Bye.